Snooped a number of times currently, the 2024 Skoda Octavia was just recently caught on cam partially revealing its upgraded front and rear ends and a couple of tweaks made within. The mid-size superb smaller-sized brother or sister was captured in the combi body design, aka the station wagon, yet it will be signed up with by the car or, better said, the liftback. Its front as well as rear fascias were still under wraps, though we can still see the new headlights as well as a fresh interpretation of the grille. Featuring vertical vents towards the side and also a big air intake between, the bumper is likewise brand new. Out back, it has new tail lights and a various bumper with what appear to be rearranged reflectors, presuming these are not provisional. Don't mind the sensors on the wheels, as they are there for data gathering purposes. And also talking the alloys, it will likely launch with brand new ones. Just like the outside, the cabin of the facelifted Skoda Octavia was partially under covers. Nevertheless, the infomercial system was left exposed, and we can see that it has a brand new display. The digital tool cluster probably invited a few tweaks of its very own, and although it's not entirely visible, we believe the steering wheel will certainly be a little different. That stated, every little thing else is comprehended to carry over, though we would not be stunned if they put added attention on the security gear, improving some components. Some interior combustion engines could be enhanced for the mid-cycle refresh of the Czech marque's design that shares many nuts and also screws with the VW Golf, Audi A3, as well as Seat Leon. The 1.0-liter 3-pot could be updated, like on the Kamiq crossover, and it will most likely churn out 114 horsepower, 116 PS/85 kilowatts. The 1.5-liter TSI ought to produce 148 horsepower, 150 PS/110 kilowatts, and Skoda will not ditch the bigger displacement units with 2.0 liters either. Search for mild hybrid assemblies as well, and also pressed gas swellings. Moreover, we believe the diesel power isn't going anywhere for now. The household will still be topped by the RS, virtual reality in the United Kingdom, as well as there have been reports that the Scout, aka the jacked-up variant, may bite the dust. We will certainly figure out everything about the 2024 Skoda Octavia when the company raises the shrouds. Reports mention a main unveiling happening in the following few months, and it could premiere close to completion of the year. The initial devices will possibly start getting to suppliers in Europe very early next year. On a final note, we've got to state the battery electric variation of the Octavia, which is believed to release in a few years.